This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on medical alert systems. These life-saving devices have become essential for millions who value safety and independence. So, what exactly is a medical alert system? Essentially, it's a device designed to signal a call for help during an emergency. It's especially crucial for seniors living alone or individuals with health conditions. A typical system has a base unit and a wearable transmitter, like a necklace or wristband. When the button is pressed, it connects you to a monitoring center. Trained professionals assess the situation and dispatch emergency services if needed. Some systems allow communication directly through the wearable device, while others use the in-home base unit. Many modern systems offer additional features like fall detection, GPS tracking, and even medication reminders. Fall detection can automatically send an alert if a fall is detected, potentially critical if the individual is unable to press the button themselves. GPS tracking is perfect for active seniors who are often outside, providing peace of mind for families by pinpointing their loved one's location. Now let's talk about setting up your medical alert system. Most systems are quite user-friendly and involve simply plugging in the base unit to a power outlet and phone line or internet connection. Then, test the system by pressing the button to ensure it's properly connected to the call center. For mobile systems, simply charge the device and wear it as instructed. Choosing the right medical alert system depends on your specific needs. Consider factors like mobility, lifestyle, and health conditions. Are you frequently outdoors? A GPS-enabled system might be ideal. Do you want automatic fall detection? Look for systems offering that feature. Costs can vary, so compare subscription plans and read reviews to ensure reliable customer service and quick response times. It's crucial to feel secure, so take advantage of free trials or return policies to test the system thoroughly. In conclusion, a medical alert system is more than just a button. It's a lifeline that fosters independence while providing reassurance to users and their families. Whether you're looking for simplicity or advanced features, options abound to ensure you find the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.